Picture a hamster. You're probably seeing something adorable. Tiny pink paws, a twitching nose, fluffy cheeks stuffed with sunflower seeds. It's the kind of creature that seems incapable of doing anything wrong. But there is a dark side to these little animals, a behavior so shocking, so seemingly cruel, that it leaves new pet owners horrified and heartbroken. Sometimes a mother hamster will eat her own babies. It sounds like something out of a horror movie. It feels like a glitch in nature. How could a mother destroy the very life she just brought into the world? We look at this through human eyes, and we see murder, we see malice. But nature doesn't operate on human morality. Nature operates on one rule: survival. And if we want to understand why this happens, we have to stop thinking like people and start thinking like a tiny, terrified animal at the bottom of the food chain. To understand this tragedy, you have to look at the mother's energy. Imagine for a second that you are a battery. You have a limited amount of charge. Now imagine you have just given birth to a litter of 12 babies. Nursing them, keeping them warm, and protecting them requires an immense amount of power. If the mother senses that she is running on empty, if she is malnourished or simply exhausted, she faces a brutal calculation. If she tries to raise all 12, she might die. And if she dies, they all die. So she makes a sacrifice. She culls the litter. She isn't doing it out of anger. She is reclaiming energy. By consuming one or two of the weakest offspring, she regains the protein and nutrients she needs to produce milk for the strong ones. It is a cold, hard trade. A few lives lost to ensure the survival of the rest. But hunger isn't the only reason. There is also fear. Hamsters are prey animals. In the wild, almost everything wants to eat them. This means they are wired for extreme stress. When a mother hamster feels threatened, maybe the cage is in a loud room, or there are other pets staring at her, she goes into panic mode. Her instinct tells her that this environment is not safe for babies. If she believes a predator is coming, she might kill the babies to prevent them from suffering, or to remove the scent that would attract the hunter. In her mind, she is cleaning up a failed attempt at reproduction so she can live to try again another day. And then, there is the mistake that we often make. Imagine you are a new mother, blind and deaf to the world, relying entirely on scent to know what is yours. Suddenly, a giant hand reaches down and touches your babies. When humans touch newborn hamsters, we leave our scent on them. To the mother, that baby no longer smells like her. It smells like a stranger. It smells like a threat. Confused and defensive, she might reject the baby, or worse, attack it. It's a heartbreaking misunderstanding caused by our own curiosity. So when we hear about hamsters eating their young, it's easy to judge. It's easy to call them monsters. But look closer. You aren't seeing cruelty. You are seeing a desperate struggle for survival. You are seeing a mother pushed to the absolute edge, making a choice that no mother should ever have to make. Nature isn't always kind. It isn't always pretty. But it is always logical. And in the harsh world of a hamster, sometimes the only way to save the family is to sacrifice a part of it.